How to fix not getting incoming phone calls on an Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is make sure that you have the updated and latest version of your phone application on your device. So just go to your Play Store and search for phone application. Make sure that you have updated it. So as you can see, I have the updated version of the application on my device. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on the phone, then tap on app info. And after tapping on app info, I just have to tap on clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, then clear cache, and then tap on app permissions. So just make sure that you have provided the access to all the permissions that is required for the phone. So as you can see, the files and media, the contacts, the microphone, all these options are allowed. So just check by going to the phone application and your problem might be fixed. So thank you.